I'm Tanisha Yahne with Yahne by Nature, a bliss of self-care. And welcome to the Unplug and Reset Room. Yahne by Nature is an individual coaching and business consulting agency. We help businesses and individuals prosper in every area of their life through self-care and self-discipline. As a business owner, I try to find the formula for success and prosperity. I found that formula, and it's through self-care. What I can teach you and your company is how to prosper, how to become more involved, in tuned, and passionate about what you're doing through self-care practices. Self-care practices change the mentality of the whole being. And when your employees feel good, they produce better for your company. I implemented the Unplug and Reset Room, where my team can come in when they're feeling overwhelmed, when there's conflicts from home, or when things just are not going well for them. They come in for about 15 minutes and they unplug and they get to reset their life so they can go back out and represent our company to the best of their ability. When your employee leaves this room, they leave with confidence, they leave with peace, and they leave with joy, which allows them to increase your productivity. It allows them to treat your customers better, and it allows them to have more appreciation for the company. When you invest, you are decreasing absenteeism. You are decreasing work-family conflict. You are decreasing disruptions in the workplace, but you are increasing your workplace loyalty, which means your employees will produce more, they will generate more, and they will give you more. It's a win-win situation. Invest in them, and they invest in you. Let us come into your company and create an atmosphere which will help your employees have a space where they can unplug and find their inner peace at work so that they can help your company prosper and become the best it can be. We're still in a time where mental health has a stigma, where people are ashamed to receive help. COVID-19, it has left many employees with mental health issues. This is a way for you to help your employees deal with some of these issues. We will not be providing mental health services, but we will be providing care that will help stimulate and it will help balance any mental health state. Let us prove to you that self-care is the answer for your company. You can contact me at 225-810-8277. Visit our Facebook page, Yahne by Nature, or you can send me an email at yahnebynature@gmail.com.